Hello, today we're going to be looking at assembling the individual parts of our puzzle cube. Specifically, we're going to be looking at just the first two pieces. We're going to take this yellow U and this green T. Again, here is the individual part for the yellow U and the individual part for the green T. And that green T is going to nestle in the back of that yellow U. Specifically, I also want to make sure I point out that the yellow U faces front in this direction, and the green T faces front with just the part coming in between that yellow U. Alright, so now we've moved to Onshape. We're going to click on Puzzle Cube. Our first item is that we need to actually insert the blocks. So we've got gold block, just put it there. We've got green block, put it there. Check yes. Our first order of business is to make sure that our front matches our front. So it does. If it doesn't, this next procedure will get it there. So we need to come up here to Fasten Mate. We're going to fasten this gold U to this origin. To do that, we go up to Fasten Mate. I'm going to zoom in using the scroll key on the mouse. Note, we've got a blue, green, and red bar. We're going to click on that. Now I'm going to click on this corner and show you how it can sometimes be frustrating. See, it's not, the front of this is no longer to the front. So we'll say no, Fasten Mate, fasten. Let's try from underneath. So you can see the front of this is to the front of this. Now sometimes these will get turned around. You can also click here, flip primary axis, secondary axis, and that will get your cube where you want it. So at this point we click the green button. Now if you'll notice, this cube will no longer float. I'm holding it with the mouse, doesn't move. Or this one, when I hold it with the mouse, it does float around. The goal here will be to get all these assemblies essentially glued together so they won't move around. That's the whole point of an assembly. Okay, fasten this one. I'm going to hit Fasten Mate. We'll come up here. We'll show you a few of the things that can happen. We'll click there. We know that we want to click there, but we also know that sometimes that doesn't go that smooth. So again, you might have to flip around this way. So we have to go Fasten Mate again. Again, I'm just trying to show you some of the things that can happen. You can end up clicking back here, then it looks like that, and you try to flip around. I will stress that these gluing together of the blocks using assembly can be frustrating sometimes. Don't let it frustrate you. Just come back, undo, hit Fasten Mate again, try it from a slightly different angle the next time, right? Click here. Maybe that's not it. Maybe that's not it. So I want you to feel comfortable. Again, this can be a little bit of trial and error. So again, you come up to Fasten Mate. Maybe zoom in. Okay, now you got it blue going forward. Come over here. Now you got it blue coming forward. Ah, that's what we want it to look like. We hit the green checkbox. Get that out of our way. Now at this point, when we grab on green, nothing moves. That has a secure fasten to it. So again, that's the first two pieces. You will just continue to install the rest of the pieces around your cube.